Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video, and I'm excited today to show you this software in action. It's called Hashtag Genius, and down below you'll find out more information about it. There is a price increase happening really early on in the launch, so make sure you find out about that as well down below. And there's a number of bonuses that I've been able to get resale rights to with this software as well. The reason I like the software is it uses hashtags. Now, hashtags, as you'll know, are a primary way that people search through Facebook, people search through Instagram, people search through Twitter. You know, they're quite prevalent now, and there's quite a few websites that use them. What this software gives you the ability to do is it allows you to find valuable content or viral content that people might have an interest in your niche. Then what you can do is you can actually, after searching for that content, search for different hashtags in your niche that people will be searching in. Then it posts to Facebook and it posts to Twitter using those hashtags and using the images that you find. So let's have a quick look at how this software works. First of all, when you first get in here, you're going to see a number of different hashtags you might have selected, plus a number of images here. If we go to hot trend hashtags, we can actually search for our own hashtag. So I could say go and search for fitness. I could search for those hashtags. Those are going to come up right now, and I've got these hashtags here. Then we can create what's called a new group. So I can call it fitness group. And these groups allow us to use the hashtags that we've chosen over and over again when we do our posting. So I choose fitness group. I then select which fitness hashtags best suit my particular Facebook page or my client's page. Once I've done that, I click Save Group, and now every time that I post an image, these hashtags are going to be automatically added to my posts. I can then go to Facebook Viral Content. I can search for fitness, for example. It's going to find me a bunch of different Facebook pages that are relating to fitness. Here they are right here. I can choose to click on one like this, click Get Posts, and I can find a bunch of different images that might suit what I'm posting about. Okay, so I can search through Facebook posts and pages. I can also go to Tumblr and I can find the most liked fitness images that are and posts that are blogged onto Tumblr. So I can see here a number of different fitness posts. I can go down and find a number of different relevant fitness posts or images that are related to what I'm wanting to post. I can then directly post these to Facebook, or I can choose to repost them to Tumblr if I really want to, if I have a Tumblr blog that I'm posting to. I can search through also Instagram content. So I'm going to load that up. Now I believe they're doing an upgrade right now and that's not coming up. I can also search through Pinterest trends. And right now this is not loading up, so I can't demonstrate this right now. Now they're currently doing an upgrade. They're pushing out a number of features right now, and that may be the reason, but I'll ask them for that. As it is right now, you can search through these different content networks to find images. Now once you find some images you like, so say for example, let's go back to Tumblr and let's find, fitness quotes might be a good one. A lot of people post fitness quotes and they use those on their Facebook pages or on their Twitter updates. So let's go through, let's search for that right now. We've got here a number of interesting posts. So say we like this one here. What we can do is we can select our group. It'll then add the hashtags to our post, and we could say, how do you like this image? We can choose to post to my timeline, or if I had a page that I'd added in my account settings, I could actually post to my Facebook page as well. I can also post to Twitter, and I would just need to go post now, click on post now, and it would post directly to my page. Now I can also schedule my Facebook posts in. So I could go to Facebook scheduling, I could enter in a image web URL here that I found. I could also go in, once again, go into fitness group, whereabouts is it, fitness group, can't see it here, so we'll just go this. We'll go fitness, and we've added our hashtags in here. Then we could add our URL, and we can also schedule our posts to our timeline or a Facebook page as well if we wanted to. We can also post to Twitter. Now this is a new feature. We could type in our text here, we could upload an image into Twitter and choose to tweet as well. So where would you use this software? The main use for this software is finding relevant hashtags that people would be searching through Facebook and Twitter for, and then posting to those hashtags on Facebook or Twitter. This is going to help you to increase the amount of traffic to your images and help the amount of exposure you get to your posts. The posts that you do on Facebook or Twitter, as you'd usually do, you want to make sure you add your URL or whatever you're looking to call people to act on, okay? So if you're directing people to an opt-in, make sure you mention that opt-in in your post. If you want to grow your fan base, this is a good way of doing it. Now, in terms of how effective are hashtags, hashtags can be effective. There are people searching for the main types of hashtags, and it's important you do your research into hashtags to find out which hashtags are the most popular and which are getting the most traffic. One of the handy things here is you can actually see how many posts are being or have been added for a certain hashtag, so you can choose relevance. Now, in terms of whether the software is going to get you a lot of free traffic, it can, but it takes consistency. You're going to want to be posting with this software on a regular basis, using hashtags on a regular basis. Are there other softwares that give you the ability to do this? Yes, there are. So if you've already got a software, check if your social media updating software actually allows you to do this. If it doesn't, you might want to consider this software. If you already have posting software though on Facebook, this is not necessarily a new software. This has been done before. I've seen this done before. I think I've recommended a couple of products that did this. And in terms of how well this software does it does it well, it does it fast. It doesn't do it as effectively as some other software that I've tried, but for the price, it's a good deal if you don't yet have a solution. This is probably the lowest price I've seen a social media updater like this go for, so when you keep that in mind, it's probably worth it. Now, I'm going to go and check with the developers on why the Instagram content search isn't working and the Pinterest trends isn't working. I believe it's because they're pushing updates. I was warned about that before doing this video. However, that is important that I let you know about that, so I'll include details about the email in my email, whether these are included, which I believe they are. And then you can go here and you can actually add all your data here to do the searches through Facebook, do the searches through Twitter, the posting in Twitter, the Tumblr posts in Twitter, and you can manage all of your hashtag groups right here as well. Cool, so I hope this was useful. I hope you understand what the software does now, and you've got all the information you need to make the right decision as to whether you want to use this. Now, I can see also one final comment. Instagram posts are right here, so they are working, and Pinterest posts are posted right here, so they are working as well. This particular search, it will be available soon, I'm pretty sure. There it is, it's working right now actually. So I was correct, they were doing an update, and if we search through in fitness right now, we'll be able to find Instagram posts relating to fitness, and if we do a trends post through Pinterest, then I will be able to do a trends post through Pinterest. Now, it might still be that they're updating it, but here it is, fitness. So we've got fitness images. You'll want to use hashtags that are a bit more detailed, like fitness dieting, fitness images, fitness quotes, and also Pinterest trends as well. You can keep up with Pinterest trends. This isn't yet working. Instagram is right now. Pinterest, I believe they're still updating, so keep an eye out for that. And that's what the software does. So there you have it. This is what the software does. If this is useful, if this is something that you can use in your business with a client or in your own business, then I encourage you to get access. The bonuses are good with this one for the price that this software is listed at. Get in early to get the best price, and I hope this has been informative and given you all the information you need to make the right decision for your business. Thanks again for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll talk to you later. See you later.